Hey guys, we have a somewhat short unboxing to do. We have a box we just got from DHL from Danny, and we have a package from Denver Doll Emporium. So I'm anxious to see what we got from Danny since I ordered a painted head. Oh, come on. Okay, I think we are good. So yeah, I ordered a painted head, and I'm kind of anxious to see what we got. So let's just go ahead and get this open. So let's see what's inside. So we got some of these. I see the head. Sorry. We got some of these. Some more of these. We ordered this bad boy. Had to. It was just looking too nice, so we decided to add it to our collection. And the special part. Let's see what girl is inside. Let's see. Can I see anything through here? No. She's T, that's all I know. So, let's see who we got, you guys. OMG. That is crazy. Wow. So all I can say is wow, you guys. Because I was getting ready to order her in semi-real. Wow. How did I know it was going to get you? Okay. So now I just need to go ahead and get the bust and find an arm, because I don't think he sells arms. I don't know, but I'm going to have to go ahead and go back to the website and see what pieces I'm going to need to get her complete. But I'm very happy with her. Not sure if I'm going to keep her or try to trade her for a semi-real, but definitely happy with her. So I'm going to probably pop some eyes in her, get her on a body, and see what she looks like all together. So that's what we have from Danny. And let's see what we have from Denver Doll Emporium. Oh yeah, it's that wig that I ordered. Let's see, today's Monday. I think the wig was on sale Wednesday or Thursday. Got there pretty fast. I don't know if this wig is gonna go with her, but we shall see. So it's a two-tone wig, black on one side and a wine color, but all wine colored in the back. It's from, stay focused, Leak World, and it's red wine / natural black. Here's the information. So Denver Doll Emporium, they have other shades. I'm not sure if they have other sizes, but this is a 8-9. So let me go ahead and get this cutie together, and we will be back. So here is our new girl in the new outfit, and I am so loving her. The crazy thing is, I was talking to my best friend about some of the dolls that are being discontinued, and I was telling him that I was going to get the semi-real Courage for Valentine's. Guess I don't need to get the semi-real for Valentine's. So I have to think of a really cool name for her, but I'm loving her. She's just gorgeous. And you guys know turquoise is my favorite color, so she has turquoise eyes, so she's just really hot shit. I'm sorry for cursing, but I really, really love her. You guys know T is one of my top colors. It's a toss-up between tea and cocoa, but she is so adorable, you guys. So that is probably it for this unboxing. I don't know how the rest of this week is going to be with deliveries and stuff. I mean, it's only Monday, so if I get any other smart doll related stuff, I'll include it with this video. If not, we'll be ending now. I might try to take some pictures of her tomorrow since it's like 8 o'clock here now. So that's it for now. Either more goodies will be unboxed or we'll have pictures. That's it, you guys. Take care, keep watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. I forgot to do a review of the wig since this is my first Leakwood size 8-9 wig. I mean, still the same great quality as their smaller wigs. So I mean, really no issues, no complaints. It's a great wig. I love it. I'm glad I got it in this color. So I mean, you know, I've never had any issues with wigs from Denver Doll Emporium. So see a wig, I would definitely advise you to get it because they do sell out pretty fast. Sometimes they do restock, sometimes they don't. So if you see a wig, I would definitely tell you to get it. And here's Nosy CC. That's it. Bye, guys.